Always start popping your chest just to get some more blood flow. So when you go on your, when you step on stage, it's nice and close. You're gonna practice more posing on your chest. Sounds good.
What's up, guys? We are here at 24 Hour Fitness, Mid-Wilshire. We're about to hit up a delt, bicep, I don't even know, but I'm here with my coach, Marco.
Just finished it. This one and I'll give it Marco. I'll up it up.
He's been coaching me through this process for like 7+ months, so hope you guys enjoy today's workout sesh. By the way, these are dropping soon, guys, on the search.shop. The Letterman collection. Be sure to stay tuned for that. Code Daryl.
Very good.
Yeah. What do you suggest? Pancake or a muffin?
No, we're doing both. Depends on your show. It depends on your physique on that day. So just be ready, you know. Your muffin, honey,
Okay.
blueberries, then at least get like 16 ounces of tilapia cooked with rice.
Yeah.
We don't want you to get bloated. But for sure, it depends. Maybe you could have a burger after your first entry in the morning.
Yeah. Do I make the burger or do I buy it?
You're gonna buy it.
Okay.
Yeah, just any kind. Carl's Jr. Just one burger with no cheese, no dairy for now. Because we don't want that estrogen.
Hear that? Pancakes and burgers. Hopefully donuts soon. I just want my sweets, my Physique from BJ's.
Ooh.
Starving. Peak week starts tomorrow, and I'm pretty low on carbs right now, and it's gonna get even lower than that. Only 100 grams of sweet potatoes, or 150 grams a day, guys, a day. Practically on keto. Practically. Anyways, back to the workout.
Flex right there, like your back double bike. So we get the back double bike. Back post. Not so much lean back. Stable, flexing your triceps. Forearms too. All of that squeezing your core too. Once you like squeeze your lower back is gonna get more tighter.
Okay.
Make sure you squeeze that too, like. Back out front.
I'm hungry. Oh, I said that like the 10th time, huh? Yeah, I'm starving. That's all I can think about is food right now. I had 5 meals already today. One more to go. Last meal was at 5 o'clock. Right now it's... Let me just check my phone real quick. It's 10:32. I'm going catabolic right now. But looking forward to eating. That's all I'm thinking about. Food. Food. And more food. Okay, hopefully you guys are enjoying this workout. We still got more to go. We got more posing and stuff to do. We still got abs to do. It's gonna be a long night. We're typically here like till 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. in the morning. Sorry, I got my time zones incorrect.
Can you lower down your, so I can see your obliques too? Yeah, there you go. More. Especially your lower. Like, bend. Ease. Straight. More. Make sure your hips are back. Back pose. Squeeze up. There you go. Make sure you slightly bend down. Then there you go, like that. Okay, court side. Spread. Squeeze more, squeeze more. Squeeze more your lats. Again. Posterior. Side. Tricep. Rear delts. Very good. Front post. Up. A little wider. There you go. Nice. Down. Squeeze. When you squeeze, chest up. Then core sides. Still remain side. There. Body pose. Okay, back pose. Take it side. There you go. Nice. Front pose. Hold on. There you go. Squeeze. When you squeeze it, like make sure your chest is full. Show the, yeah. Nice. And then, nice. Squeeze your biceps, tricep.